Christmas is always a time full of excitement. It's just 3 days away, and one of the things that we are always excited about are the gifts. You just can't wait to unwrap that gift. Maybe it's a new clothes, maybe it's a new dress, maybe it's a new pair of shoes, maybe it's a new game or book. One day, the greatest gift that we would receive would be His return. And we ought to be excited about this. Some say that Pastor Chris is talking so much about the soon return of the Lord Jesus, but when you know who He is, He's the monarch of the universe, then we need to shout it at the top of the mountain. We need to shout it on every street corner and let everybody know that the Lord is coming and we are excited about His coming. I want you to study today's Rhapsody realities and learn more. Also, sponsor Rhapsody today. Click on that link. Have a great day. Love you. God bless you.